So here's how you can use iPad to share screen in Google Meet. So if you are new here and first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So whenever you are inside of your Google Meet like session, you are already connected and joined, right? You can get inside in here, do whatever, and then perform some things or changes to it. And like at the bottom, you can turn on your microphone or camera, whatever. But then there is also like a square or rectangle icon with an arrow pointing up, and you can click on it and it's going to ask you if you want to share your screen. And you can also confirm that the audio will be shared as well. So whatever, you can decide how you want to do it, but then you click on continue, then you tap on start broadcast with the Google Meet like selected with the check mark icon, and it will automatically share your screen to anyone who is watching or is connected to the Meet right there. So the way that it works is that now you can of course leave the screen of the Google Meet, show something else on your iPad, and that the other people will be connected. In order to stop, you can click the button in the top right corner, which is the screen broadcasting, and you can just confirm it with the stop again, and you'll see that the screen will be stopped or will no longer be shared. So it works, gets the job done. Let me know if it worked out well for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos too.